Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw a cute and simple family tree. It's super fun and easy, so grab your marker and let's begin. First, I grab my marker and draw the trunk and roots of the tree. Make sure the base is strong and thick, just like how our family supports us.
Wow!
Secondly, I draw the branches. They stretch out like arms, holding our lovely family together.
Wow, that's amazing.
All the branches are done, now let's draw the leaf shapes on the tree. The leaves are big and round, like a fluffy green cloud. At the bottom of the tree, I add some grass and soil to complete the ground.
Yay!
Now, I add 4 circles inside the leafy part to write my family members' names. You can add more circles if you have more members in your family.
Okay.
I'm using 4 because I have 4 members in my family. Mom, Dad, sister, and me. Yay! Our drawing is complete!
Wow!
Now it's time to add some natural colors. Let's go! First, I use a bright green for the leaves. Let's color it all around the circles, make it nice and leafy. A family is like a tree where we all stay together like branches and share love.
Wow! Wow!
Families are fun and special because we help each other every day.
Yes!
Next, I use a maroon color for the tree trunk and branches. It gives a warm, woody feel.
Amazing!
I use brown for the soil at the bottom. Don't forget the ground that holds the tree. Lastly, I color the grass with a deep green. It adds a pop of freshness to our picture. Our coloring is done. Now I go over the drawing to make it look clean and delightful.
Wow!
See how neat and colorful it looks? Thanks for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun art from Tiny Hands Art. See you in the next video. Bye.